Hello my beauty lovers, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Hey, I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up y'all? On today's video we're gonna do a Jeffree Star, well, a recreation of Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. And this one, I don't have this particular palette on hand, but I'm gonna try to see if I could recreate it using some dupes I have. And with that look, I'm gonna use the Juvia's palette Festive. I'm gonna use a little bit of Hula Beauty. I'm gonna use a little bit of Aurora Lights from BH Cosmetics, and of course I'm gonna use Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. This is the only palette I own of Jeffree Star. But yeah, and this look, I seen it on one of his tutorials. I don't know, I don't remember which one was it. If I see it, I'll probably link it down below. But yeah guys, let me know how I did and give this video a thumbs up if you like. Hook your girl up with some likes and some thumbs. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I recreate this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. Let's go. We're gonna prime our eyelid using my MAC concealer, soft ochre. Put that all over my lid. It is pouring outside. You hear me? I was gonna go for a walk, get my little workout popping, but it is raining. It is thundering. It looks scary outside. Who experienced this heat wave over the weekend? Because I did. We were not in the mood to do nothing like indoors. We wanted to go somewhere with water park, somewhere with water, beach, water park, pool, whatever it took us to get wet and stay hydrated. That's what we did. All right guys, so we're gonna go with the Beauty Killer palette, and we're gonna use the Courtney, and we're gonna use China White. These two, we're gonna put these two colors on our brow bone. Just pack it on there. If you guys hear any noises, my AC is on because it's baking in this room. I got these lights on and it is fire if I don't turn that AC on. But hopefully you guys can hear me well. I'm not going to be talking on majority of the video. I'm just going to speed through it, as you guys can see. Beauty. And we're going to use this color right here. And we're going to put that on our crease. And keep packing on, keep packing on a little bit. Star Power. This one, this bright pink right here. And we're gonna put that underneath that the color we just added. So we're gonna pack that on. Now I'm gonna cut the crease a little using the Revolution Concealer, Conceal and Define. And this is the color C1. Palette. And we're gonna get that orange color and we're gonna pack that on our lid. And with that dark burgundy, and we're gonna put that in our crease just to define it. This palette right here, and I'm gonna use this color right here. I'm gonna put that on up here. I'm gonna do this. I'll put that in my tube. Now we're gonna go with liner, and we're using my favorite White X Matte. It is crazy out there. Y'all hear that? look. I hope you guys like it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how I did on this recreation Jeffree Star makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here in this channel. We lit, we lit, we lit. Yes, girl, till next time. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.